My dear friends, today I am going to teach how to enter vouchers with supporting documents. First of all, go to purchase invoice. This is ABC and Co. is sold goods to Banu and Co. Here Banu and Co. we are going to create a company and update the details in purchase voucher. So go here Banu and Co. already I have created. How I have created, just you see, if you don't have created this Banu and go here. So already I have created, show the demo. Here Banu and Co. Chennai address. Then here accounts with inventory means accounts plus stock maintenance. That's it. After finishing this, we have to create some that is called, what do you call, accounting masters. Accounting masters is just like mobile contacts. If you want to send SMS or you call again and again, you have to feed update your contact details on your mobile phone. Just like in Tally, you have to create account ledgers and stock items names. How to create, I will explain. Now here, this is the supplier Banu and Co. So this ledger you have to create under sundry creators. How to create, just go through account info ledger, create ABC and Co. Here group is sundry creator, maintain bill wise, yes. So here you can enter the VAT number. VAT number is this is the VAT number. So this is over. And then next, one more ledger is, this is a purchase voucher. So create one purchase ledger. Purchase 12.5%. So create purchase ledger. Purchase 12.5%. Under group purchase accounts. Inventory values, yes. Used VAT returns, yes. Purchase for 12.5%. That's it. Then one more ledger is output VAT. Here output means according to them it's a sales voucher for this ABC and Co. But it is a purchase invoice for Banu and Co. So that in purchase voucher you have to enter input VAT 12.5%. So go to accounting info. This is here input VAT 12.5%. Duties and taxes. Here VAT input VAT 12.5%. That's it. And now this units you have to create. This is numbers and this is the stock item names also you have to create, units also you have to create. So these units and stock item numbers both you have to create in accounting info, inventory info, gateway of tally, inventory info, escape, gateway of tally, inventory info. First we are going to create measure of units, create numbers. That's it. Now stock items, accounting info, stock items, create. Hard disk, hard disk, it's a computer spares. Here this is numbers. Similarly monitors, these also computer spares, numbers. Then monitor TV 17 inches, 17 inches, this is TV, numbers. Then Sony TV 14 inches, TV, numbers. So go to accounting vouchers. After that you click here purchase F9. This is the purchase. Now say the supplier's number 0025 225, say supplier name is ABC and Co. Enter. Here this is purchase, say hard disk. Go down, showroom, go down, say showroom, say 10 numbers, say 2000 per piece, 20,000. And one more item, monitors. Enter the monitors, say enter here storage, go down, 5 pieces, each 3500. Enter one more item, that is Sony TV, storage, go down, 10 piece, each 6000. Now Sony TV 2 pieces, says 7000. After that leave one line blank, so enter here, again enter. Here you can enter the tax ledger, say input tax 12.5%. Automatically it comes. Being purchase computer spares and TV from ABC and Co. That's all. The purchase voucher is finished. My dear friends, and one more voucher is payment voucher. See, payment voucher, in previous purchase entry we have done the name of that is ABC and Co. ABC and Co. We have brought material from ABC and Co. so that we are paying this 50,000. To enter payment voucher, you have to create the two ledgers, that is party account that are two bank account. Party account ABC and Co is already I have created while entering the purchase voucher. Now the ledger is ICICI Bank. This only you have to create. So go to tally, account info, ledger, create ICICI Bank. Say bank account always grouped at bank accounts. So there is no change in this. Say Tamil Nadu. Here bank address also you can enter, Mount Road, Chennai. Mount Road, Chennai. That's it. So this ledger creation is over. Now you can go next step how to create this payment voucher. Thank you. Tally, go to accounting vouchers, say payment. This is the payment. So supplier we will give one payment entry. That is first of all we have to create one bank account. Escape here. Go to accounting info, ledgers, create ICICI Bank. Bank account comes under bank accounts. Don't forget, it's a very important. After this, go to accounting vouchers, payment. Go to here, payment, enter. Here account means when we give the payment through check. Here enter the bank name. Enter here ICICI Bank. Enter ABC account is the supplier we have purchased, so that we have to give payment. Say 50,000 for this bill number. Paid ICICI Bank check number 00251. That's all. This payment, this is the single entry mode. We can enter the how to enter in double entry mode. I will tell you. Go to here, configuration. Single entry mode. Say no. That's all. Here the earlier we have first we have entered the bank account, then supplier account. Here will be reverse. That means first enter the supplier name ABC, say 50,000, say 45,000 for this bill number. 2 here ICICI Bank, paid check number 42. Now we will discuss the receipt entry. How to enter the receipts. Escape, go to here, accounting vouchers, say freight, say rent 10,000, paid rent by check. Here you can enter that number, ICICI Bank check number, say whatever. That's all. Now payment and receipt entry is over. Now the next lesson is sales entry. For sales entry, you have to create one ledger that is XYZ under sundry debtors. This you know how to create this one. Auditors, this hard disk, monitors, monitor, TV, Everything we have already created, so no need to create. And this output tax you have to create. So go here, see Ramu and Co is selling XYZ. Ramu and Co is our company. So this is a sales invoice. So go to tally, ledger, create XYZ, XYZ, say sundry debtor. Say here Chennai 17, Chennai 600017. Here Tamil Nadu. So add details. You can enter the number. See here buyer's number. This is the number. This is over. Now you have to create the sales ledger and output tax. Say sales voucher means XYZ account debtor to sales account to output tax. Say XYZ debit this much, sales account this much, and output tax this much. So you have to create three ledgers, that is one sales account and output tax. Account info, create ledger sales 12.5%. Under group sales used in VAT returns, yes, sales 12.5%. Then output VAT 12.5%. This is duties and taxes. Here select VAT, output VAT, then 12.5%. That's it. So for this sales invoice, ledger creation is over. This stock items already I have created. So you go for, you are going to see the demo in the next few seconds in this video. How to enter the sales is, go to accounting, vouchers, click here sales F8. Here enter XYZ is the customer name, enter. Here sales account, say yes, sales account 12.5%. Hard disks or 5 shape we can select 5 numbers, 10 numbers we have, so 5 numbers. Hard disks 3000 each. Then monitors, say storage go down, this stock is in storage go down, say here 2 numbers, this is 55. Then TV storage go down, the stock is in storage go down, say 6 numbers, 6500. Then Sony TV showroom 2 numbers, sell out, total 7500 per piece. That's all. Now here you can enter one more, otherwise enter, just press on enter. Here tax ledger, use output tax, sale tax is output tax. You can enter here narration, sale of computer spares and TVs. That's all. That's enough. Sales and purchase is over. Let us see how next payment is over. Next voucher is receipt. So receipt entry, this is Ramu and Co. is our company. XYZ is the payer. He is the receiver. So XYZ is giving the check for 35 rupees in favor of Ramu and Co. So here Ramu and Co, when we receive the check, so debit to bank account and credit to this party account XYZ company. So in this receipt XYZ already we have created, and this journal entry is ICICI bank account debtor 35,000 to XYZ Co. Credit 35,000. See here, Canara Bank ledger you don't want to create because this bank is his XYZ bank account. So we don't want to this bank. So instead of this, ICICI bank you have to create because the check you are going to deposit in ICICI bank. So these two ledgers has been created. XYZ already we have created while entering the sales entry. XYZ also we have created while enter the payment voucher. That's it. Bye. Thank you. You continue to view next, that is how to enter this payment voucher. And I want to tell you one more thing. This vouchers, first lesson from first to end you have to see because one to another is related. The first lesson is related to second one is related to first, so that from the starting, from the beginning you have to watch my videos. Why this is 35,000, I will show you how to enter this. See, I have not entered this entry, so the I will you can continue to watch. After 1 minute you will get this in this video, you will get the details. Then here you see F6 is receipt. This is to whom you are paying the money. So here enter the customer name is the XYZ. So 90,000 we sold. Debit the receiver, credit the giver, so giver is the XYZ, he is giving the check, say 35,000. Go to here bank. So when the customer give check, you are going to deposit into bank. Deposited Canara Bank, check number 0. This is double entry mode. Single entry mode, how to enter, let us see. Go to here, You can enter either single entry mode or double entry mode, no problem, but it should be. Go to here, bank XYZ 10,000 for this bill number. Received Canara Bank check number 11. Here the narration how it will comes automatically means here just narration field, press Ctrl R, that's all. Now the payment receipt is over, and one more payment we will enter. Go to payment, bank account, and this is over. Delivery note is over. Now on 1st February 2014 you are placing purchase order with Kennet Limited worth. So he is your Sunday creator. You are purchasing material from him. This is okay. Now this is you have to enter in purchase order. So go to tally inventory vouchers purchase order. Order number is 4040, and this is the party name. That is you have to create. Copy. What is that? Can kit. Say can get. Already we have. Order number 4040 yarn purchase, and this is stock item is hosiery yarn. Say this is stock item. Copy. HO. There is no party. So create. To create item here, press Alt plus C. This is raw material. This is in cages. Set a cages. Not applicable. 10 cages. Say 10 cages. 20,000 each. And second item is hosiery yarn block black in color code 1178. Alt C to create another item. Control Alt V. Raw material. Then cages. Ten cages. 20,000. So this is finished. Purchase order has been raised. Say this is 4 lakhs. On 1 to 14, on 1st February 2014, you are paying amount to this party. So this is a payment entry. So go to accounting buttons, payment. This is payment. Date is 1 to 14. 1 to 14. Through bank or cash. Cash deposit. So enter here cash. The party name is Kennet Limited. Amount is 2 lakhs. Being paid amount. Sorry, before this, you have to make purchase invoice. So we will do this entry later. Go to accounting vouchers. Then say date let it be 1/2/14. Purchase order. Go to inventory button. Sorry, accounting buttons. Purchase voucher. Number is 4040. Order number 4040. Just enter this. The stock item and rate will automatically appear. Then save this. So purchase over is finished. So what is saying is 30th January. So here I used February 1st. So change the period. Press Alt to 28 to 14. Now this will able to save the invoice. This finish. Now you are paying on 1 to 2014 2000 to this party. Go to payment voucher. Cash Kennet 2 lakh. Two lakhs. Paid cash to party bank account. On 3/2 another deposit. Date 3/2/14. Cash deposit. Kennet 2 lakhs. Paid amount. Paid amount to Kennet. That's it. If you go to this party account box ledger Kennet 1/4/13. Say here purchase. So this payment should appear after this date. So enter this 1/2/14. Then say an account. Then we will see. This is our delivery challan number 000. So you have to make delivery challan. No problem. Go to delivery challan. Inventory vouchers. Delivery receipt note. Delivery, you are buying material means it's a receipt. He is giving the delivery, you are receiving the material. So enter this receipt voucher. Can it? Your order number, you can enter this number. What is that number? Order number, where is the order number? 4040. 4040. Okay, 10 kgs. 10 kgs. So you can deliver this invoice, just go and print here. Yes, you see how it will appear. Address I have not feeded, so you can feed. If you feed the address, it will comes. This is the receipt note. That's it. I think you can understand how to link orders with invoices. My dear Heptam, today I am going to teach how to enter sales order, purchase order for your company requirement. Say here Harvard High School, that is your customer, has placed order for uniform worth of 3 lakh 40 by the invoice number so and so. So what to do is go to tally, then click here features, then inventory features, then go here purchase order, yes, sale order, yes, then tracking for delivery numbers, delivery tracking numbers for delivery and receipt note, yes, that's it. Now this is sale order. The party is Harvard School. So go here inventory vouchers, so here sale order, order number is say triple two, party is Harvard High School, there is no party, so create alt C, Harvard School under group sundry data. There is the number, then sales. See, these are the stock items. See, 10 pairs of gray, these are the stock items. So create stock items. Boys gray stockings, there is no stock item, so create boys gray stockings, alt C, control C, control alt V. This is pairs, here pairs, PAIRS, PRS, pairs. Quantity is 10 pairs, each 7,000, say 70,000. Then goals, pair stockings, create this one also, alt C, and this is pairs 10 pairs, 6,000 each. The third one is BYB stripped school belts. Alt C, create. This is pieces. Pieces. Quantity is 10 piece. Rate is 1000. And V-neck school pullers. V-neck school pullers. This is numbers. Say pieces. 10,000 number. 10 numbers. Ten numbers. Cost of 1000 each. Say 10,000 this is. The next one is long trousers in dark color. Alt C. These also numbers. Pieces. 10 number. Each 10,000. Say order value is 3,40,000. 3,40,000. So as on date is 25/1/14. Here enter the date as 25/1/14. Say choose the period. Period. Say 31/1/14. Now enter the date as 25/1/14. That's it. Your order is finished. On 26/1, Harvard School makes payment of or invoice number 222 of. Now sales order has been raised. Now you are uh, going to enter sales invoice the same number. So go to sales invoice, accounting buttons, sales, say 222 Harvard School, order number. See we have entered 222. You select this, it will automatically comes. That's it. Now you can save this. Once you enter the order number, it will automatically display the content of purchase sale order. Say this is cost center, no. Invoice has been raised. Now 1 to 2004. Now 26 1 2014 school makes payment. Invoice number triple two of 1 lakh. So he is giving the payment. So this is a receipt for your accounts. So go here accounting vouchers. Enter the date as 26 1 2014. 26 1 14, and it's a receipt number. Receipt receipt number is 001. Okay. Say bank, Standard Bank. Here who is that party? Harvard School. Say 1 lakh. Remaining will give later. 1 lakh for material. Received payment for invoice number triple two. Then on 30th January 2014, the same school clears the balance of 2 lakh 40 and collect the item order and delivery note number 004. Say 34, 31, 14. 002, Standard Chartered Bank, Harvard School, 2 lakh 40. Received balance amount. So here you have mentioned as material note, that is what do you call delivery note number 044 is issued. If you want to enter this delivery note, you can make it. I will tell you how to do it. So go to accounting button, delivery note number is 044, Harvard. Order numbers. Okay, this is 10 numbers. 10 pieces. 10 pieces. Then this is delivery note. This is the receipt note. My dear friends, today I am giving some important questions. These questions are very important for your interview for accountant posts. So first question is, do you have experience in tally? If you have any experience in tally in previous company, just explain about that company and what you have done in that company. The next question is, if you, the first question, do you have experience in Tally? If the person who doesn't have the experience, better to learn Tally operations through my videos and then do trials in your computer and prepare for interview. The second question is, how will you create a ledger? This is why they are asking is, while creating ledgers, customer ledgers goes to sundry debtors account, sundry debtors group, and supplier ledger comes under sundry creditors group. So the ledger name and groups to be create exactly as per Tally rules. Say example, the bank account comes under group bank accounts. Sales accounts comes under group sales accounts. Purchase account comes under group purchase accounts. Any type of expenses related to office expenses that comes under indirect expenses. Any expenses related to trading service, that is transport charges, that comes under direct expenses. The third question is, how to take opening balances in Tally. This is very important question. While taking opening balances, you get the previous year balance sheet. From the balance sheet, you have to create ledger one by one and take opening balances. I will show you one example. So example, in this company, previous year account balance, I am going to create one ledger. That is a bank ledger, ICICI Bank. Under group comes bank accounts. Here you can enter the bank account number, then address, everything, then state also, then PIN code number, contact number. Say example 15,250. See, bank account always shows debit balance. Debit. Then press yes to save this voucher. Save this account opening balance. Now go to see display account ledger. ICICI Bank. We have taken opening balances. This is 15,250. Now the fourth question is, how do you enter cash deposit entry? This is very important question wherever you go for interview. As an account, you must have to know this question, this answer. Where do you enter cash deposit entry? This is, you have to enter in Contra entries. To enter Contra entries, press escape key to come to gateway of Tally. In gateway of Tally, go to accounting vouchers, then press F4 here. Here you have to enter the bank account, then cash account. Say 10,000. Bank cash deposit to bank account. Fine. So for this fourth question, answer is, go to gateway of Tally, accounting vouchers, Contra Entry. What is Contra Entry? Contra Entry is used for cash deposit and cash withdrawal and transfer funds from bank to bank. How will you enter VAT in sales and purchase account? The sixth question is, how will you enter VAT sale and purchase? Before that, you have to enable VAT. Say example, features, statutory taxation, VAT, yes, like that you have to enable tax. Then you need to create one input tax ledger and output VAT ledger. Input VAT ledgers comes under group duties and taxes. Output tax ledger comes under duties and taxes. What is payment and receipt entry? See, the payment entry is used for when we make payment to the suppliers or for expenses, salaries, wages, or whatever the expenses, payment made by cash or bank, you have to enter in payment vouchers. To enter payment voucher, go to gateway of tally, accounting vouchers, gateway of tally, accounting vouchers, F5. Here you have to enter bank account, say bank or cash. When we make payment by cash, enter cash. Or you make payment by bank, select the name of bank. Here enter the party name or expense ledger. Say example, traveling expense. Say 5,000. Here enter the check number and pay to whom. Enter the narration. That's it. Then next is receipt. Payment and receipt entry. Receipt entry is used for when your customer gives checks or cash, you have to enter in receipt entry voucher. Receipt entry voucher, here accounting vouchers, receipt. Gateway of tally, accounting vouchers, receipt. Then next question is, what is accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers? Accounting vouchers, these are the accounting vouchers: contra, payment, journal, sales, credit note, purchase, debit note, journal, reverse journal. These are accounting vouchers. Inventory voucher says, say example, purchase order, sale order, rejection in, rejection out, debit note, credit note, etc. Inventory vouchers are used for this damages, stock damages, shortages, and manufacturing vouchers. What is debit balance and credit balance? Ninth question is, what is debit balance and what is credit balance? This is also important. When the customer ledger shows debit balance, you have to get amount from that customer. When the customer supplier ledger shows credit balance, you have to pay the amount to your supplier. When it shows debit balance in supplier ledger, it's an advance. You have paid excess. If the customer ledger shows credit balance, you have received advance from that party. If an expense ledger shows debit balance, that's an expense. Sales ledger always shows credit balance. Purchase ledger shows always debit balance. And bank account. Bank account, it may shows credit or debit. Actually your bank statement shows debit balance in current account and saving account. If your bank account is CC account, the balance will be credit balance. Credit balance as per tally, but as per them it's a debit balance. Where do you enter stock damages in tally? Stock damages in tally. Go here, tally, account inventory vouchers. Here you can enter. Say example, laptop, one number, being stock damages. After enter this quantity will reduce from the stock. Say example, laptop, go here, counting stock item, laptop. Say here, this is stock damages. The question is, where do you enter stock damages in tally? To damage stock entry, gateway of tally, go to inventory vouchers, then here stock journal. The next question is, how will you enter bank charges? While you reconcile bank account, some bank charges, check returns may not appear in tally, because when you see the statement only you can find the charges, bank charges in the bank statement. That is, you have to enter in journal entries or payment vouchers. How will you enter check return entry in tally for both deposits and payments? Check issues called payments. Sometimes if you deposit checks, it may bounce for some other reason because of insufficient funds or check overwrite, whatever it is the reason. When it returns, debit to the customer account and credit to bank account. Sometimes you may issue check, the supplier or the client when deposit the check, the check will bounce. So that what to do is debit to bank account and credit to supplier account or client account. How will you reconcile bank account in tally? This is very important question. To reconcile bank account, first go to display, account books, ledger, say bank account, and then press here reconcile button. After that, here we have some entries, you find out the bank statement and enter the date on which date the check was cleared. Say example, if the contra entry 1,50,000 deposit entry suppose was cleared in 24, enter 24. If the check deposit 60,000 cleared on 12, say enter here 12, like that. After finishing everything, press Ctrl A, say like this. How do we maintain sale orders in tally? Actually, the company raise sale orders to their customers. After that, they will make delivery with delivery challenge. After dispatched goods, with the help of delivery challenge, you have to raise invoices. This process, before this doing this process, go here, tally features, accounting features. F2 inventory features, then say here order processing, yes. After that, purchase invoice, purchase order, you have to enter in inventory vouchers, sale order, like that party name, just like sale entries, sale invoice. After you raise order, you have to enter in delivery challan. Go to delivery note. While entering the delivery note, say example order number. When you make order, here the order number will appear here. Just you select and pass the entry. Then after that, invoice. Go here, sale invoice. Go to sale. Say Sangeeta. Delivery note. When we make delivery, here the delivery note number will appear. Just select that delivery note and enter and go ahead. Similarly, the purchase orders. How will you send data through email? This is very important. Sometimes it may useful. Say your boss, expert in tally, he will ask send data, tally data to his email ID. To do this, go here, tally, go here, find location, data. This data, just you have to zip it, zip this RAR, and then attach it to email. That's it. The next question is, how do you send tally reports by mail? This also very important. Say example, any report, go here, trial balance, email. No. Here enter the server name. This I will explain. Say Gmail or Yahoo, then email address, etc. For this chapter, I have created a video. If required, just call me at 9543198132 or email to tallyprofessor@gmail.com. How will you export reports to Excel? This is also very important. To export ledger, say example, this is I am going to export to Excel. Go to export, say no, default, Excel, say trial balance. This file, trialbal.xls will save in tally folder. Say go here, tally folder, find location, say trial balance. This is the Excel, just how I made here. Go to tally whether it is correct or not. 6 lakh 40, 6 lakh 40. Okay. And now next question is how to take backup. Data back up. Say this is tally. Under tally folder you can find one data folder. This is you have to copy and paste to somewhere or write into CD, or you can copy into your pen drive. Otherwise go here, company info, backup, say example C colon, destination C colon. Say I am going to backup this folder. G colon. Say when I go G colon, you can find a file that is called G drive. Say here, this is the file, backup file. Through this backup file, you can restore the data. Thank you for watching this video. I think it will helpful for you.